This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the way you browse Gmail. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe and like it, and let's get started. Here is my Gmail inbox. I'm looking at the Promotions tab. The first way to change how you browse your email is just to collapse the sidebar over here. To do that, click this icon here. It says Main Menu. Just click it once, and you'll just see the subject lines of all the mail that you have there. Okay. So that's way number one. Second way you can do it. On the right side of the screen, and by the way, this is the same whether you're using any type of browser in Gmail, in a Windows, Mac, or Chromebook. So you're in Gmail, you'll see this icon here, and this is the split pane mode toggle. Select the drop-down menu next to it. Default is no split, but you can also change it to vertical split. So what that means is it will show the subject lines here, and then when you select a message, it will show a preview right here. The other way to look at it is the horizontal view. So let's select horizontal split. So here's the selected email, and then at the bottom of the screen, you can see the email itself. There are many more customization options to view your Gmail by clicking on the settings icon, but the three that I just showed you are basically just for browsing your email, browsing your inbox, and being able to see a preview of the content that comes on there. By the way, to get your menu back, hover over it or just click the main menu icon once, and it will come back. This is Ian signing off. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. For more information, visit us online. Thanks so much for watching.